I just died again because my controller batteries ran out right in the middle of a game. So this is my Xbox controller, and I've been using cheapy batteries just to go ahead and throw them in there. I use them. They don't last very long. They're not very good, but I've got a solution for all that. I'm excited to talk to you about this next item that was sent to me just so I can tell you all about it. It's a little UFO. Let me show it to you. This is a really cool little battery charger for Xbox batteries. You can see there's two Xbox batteries right here, but it's kind of a fun little nightlight as well because it glows in a bunch of different ways. I'll show you all that. But here's how the whole thing works. It just kind of sits here. Again, it looks really cool, but it also has a little cord in the back, and this little cord goes into a USB cord. You can go ahead and plug it into a USB hub, laptop to charge it up, or I happen to have an outlet with a USB jack, so I'll plug it in, and there we go, and it's charging up right now, and you can see the little lights are going. I like to actually keep this right behind me here. I might go ahead and put it up on my desk upstairs, my other controllers upstairs, but this just looks really, really kind of cool. Now, a couple quick things before we talk about the batteries themselves. On the back of it, there's a little button that allows you to control the different light patterns. So if you don't like this light pattern, and I love the fact that it's got lights on the bottom as well as the top. If you don't like this light pattern, there's a whole bunch of other ones you can cycle through. Just press this little button, and there's kind of a fade in, fade out. Press it again. We have a little bit of a fade around. We have a little bit of lightning on the side. You'll see little comets go flying by, little sparks. Oops, I get it? I didn't get it. There we go. There we go. We kind of have the colors just kind of moving around there. They're all kind of solid, but you can see it's got colors all the way around it, kind of a solid color all the way around. We'll kind of keep going here. Here we go. Here's another one. And I'll keep clicking. So here we go. Here's kind of a slower fade one. It kind of slowly fades between different colors. You'll see that's just nice and slow. That's great. And we'll go back to again. And then here's kind of the faster kind of zipping around. This is kind of a rotation sort of a one. And then let me see here. We're back around to it again. We got like 6 or 7 different color combinations. Now, let's talk about these batteries. It has 2 different battery packs in here, so for 2 different controllers, and they go in only one specific way. It's kind of nice, a little bright in there. But this is the way they go in. When they're charging, you have the little label out. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to put them into your Xbox controller. All right, so let me go ahead and show you how this works. I'm going to have my Xbox controller. It's good for Xbox One controllers, Xbox S series, X series, basically all the latest Xbox controllers made in the last 10 years. It should work just fine. So you pull a little panel off just like that. Now you're going to take your battery. Now your battery has a front side that says 4800 on it. You're going to flip it the other way around, and you'll see on the actual battery itself there's a little thin little edging as well as a thicker little bump sort of a thing. There's a thick bump there and a thin little edge there. You can put that little thin edge along one of the little ridges in here and a thicker bump down where you have all these little needle pins here. You'll actually, once you figure out how to do it the first time, you'll never forget. And it should slide right in nice and easy. Let's see if I can see it here in the dark. Done. There we go. And now I'm going to go ahead. Now that it's in, I can just go ahead and press this, turn on my Xbox controller, and there we go. I'll put this in. Again, because these are such good batteries, 4800, they will last a long time. I've used them for a little while now. I haven't had any problems whatsoever. I really like these. Again, nice and simple. If you start running low, you get a little battery thing, it pops out, no problem. I pop this thing out real quick, reach back, grab another one, pop this one into here, pop the next one out, put it back in, and I'm ready to game all over again. These are really, really cool. I love the little UFO thing. I love the little battery. Everything looks great. This is just highly recommended. If you're a game player, you need this. This is neat.